today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my baked beans. Normally baked beans is full of sodium. It's a lot of sodium in it. I don't usually make it. I prefer the dry beans, cooking it from the scratch. But sometimes if I don't have the dry beans, or sometimes if I cannot wait for the dry beans takes so much time to cook, I will opt for the canned beans. So let me quickly show you guys how I make my canned beans, and it tastes so delicious and nice. You're going to love this method. Okay, so I do not heat my canned beans directly from the can. I make sure I cook it. So let me show you how. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my beans, and I'm using 4 cans of this dark red kidney beans. So I'm going to open it, then I'm going to wash it after I open it. Okay, I got 4 cans of beans. I wash it out. This is another one. This is the northern beans, is white color. So I have the dark kidney beans and the other white beans. Okay, so it's 4 cans. I wash it with warm water and I drain it out. So after thoroughly washed, I'm going to show you the process on how I step by step how I cook it. This is a very good way of cooking your canned beans, so watch to the end. And I'm going to show you if you want to see how to use this oyster machine, I made a review on this video on my channel, so I'm going to link the video somewhere along this video as well. So we're going to add half cup of olive oil, onions, so we saute our onions for 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to add my blended pepper. This pepper contains onions, red pepper, chili pepper, and tomatoes. So I'm going to add it in. That broke my eye. Then after adding my pepper, next I'm going to add this is 2 cans of tuna. I make sure I wash my tuna with warm water and rinse it out. I'm going to add half tablespoon of sea salt. And I'm going to add 1 cube of Maggi. And I'll stir everything together. Look at that. That looks delicious. This is yummy, yummy, yummy. You're gonna love these beans if you try it out. The kids are gonna like it as well. So this is one of my favorite meal on a busy day. Look at that. So once our stew is ready, we're going to stir in our beans. Look at that. So make sure to go make yours and leave me a comment down below. So I like to serve it with beans, with plantain. I love to serve it with plantain, whichever side dish you would prefer. And another tip is you can get different kind of beans. You can get the red beans, black beans, white beans. I mean, they all have their own nutrients, so you can mix them and match together. Okay, so it's very, very good. As you can see here, I mixed 2 different kind of beans together, and they all have their own nutrients. So our beans is ready. In the next 5 minutes it's going to be ready, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be serving with it. Girl, you're going to enjoy it. But guess what? I have my plantain here. If you want to see the easy plantain recipe I make in one of my recent videos, check it out. I show you step by step. I explain step by step how to make. So our beans is ready after 5 minutes. Look at that. So colorful, and it tastes so delicious. So I'm going to be serving it with my plantain. If you want to see how I make my plantain recipe, make sure to check it out. I'm going to link it somewhere in the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, also give it a thumbs down. Okay, it makes me to be able to do better. Please turn on your notifications so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. You can share this video with your friends and family if you like it, and also subscribe if you want to be part of my community. So thank you.